Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got Girly Bits, sees every Opry-Tunity, and Bundle Monster XL29. I've got on a peel-off base coat today, by the way, from Peeleze. Sees every opportunity is this beautiful lemony yellow polish with these purple flecks in it. I mean, these pink flecks. But what's stunning about it is the shimmer. You guys, the shimmer. And this one is serious. I mean, it is in your face. I hope you get to see it. I can see it a little bit. It is so pretty. So this polish just really was screaming pink lemonade, pink lemonade. I couldn't think nothing but pink lemonade. So I'm going to top it today with Poshe, which is not normal. I must have got sidetracked and grabbed the wrong bottle. Normally I use Out the Door or the Pro FX, but today we did the Poshe, and we're just going to glide right on over it, get it to dry down so we can do some playing, because we're going to make some pink lemonade nails. Look at that, so pretty. So I'll be using Bundle Monster's BM XL29. It's an older plate, because it's still got Bundle Monster on it, not Maniology. Got the blue film off, and I'm cleaning it with acetone and wiping it down with a paper towel. I'll be using Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black to stamp with. And I've got my little cube stamper from Maniology and the little scraper that came with it. I'm really enjoying these. Y'all, I'll use a stamper until it's about just dead. And then I don't even get rid of it. I hang on to it for chromes or glitters or whatever, you know, some other, you know, crazy nail thing that I don't want to use a brand new stamper on. But I love having a new one. It's all clean and pretty, and I ain't got no tears in it yet. But y'all see how I stamp. I end up with tears in mine. I do. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and that plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And I'm going to use the same image on all of the nails, but I'm going to move it around. I'm going to like flip it and turn it and reposition to where they're not all like twinkie nails. I want to make them look, you know, a little variety going on. And what I love about stamping like this and with these images and this base polish is, honestly, after it gets all stamped up with that black, it makes the color underneath look even different. I mean, it just... like at first it looked mostly yellow, but after I stamped it, I was seeing a lot more of the pink, and especially a lot more of that shimmer. Alrighty, so I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get some of this stamping polish off of my skin. It's coming up pretty good, not perfect, but pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Giving a little wipe down. Whew, there we go. Okay. Isn't that wild looking? I am going to get my cleanup brush real quick and go around the edges real fast. Oh, I love it. I love it. And I could have stamped with white, but I was going for the black look. So I'm going to be using this smudge-free top coat from Maniology to seal my stamping in. Come on, camera. Act right. Ugh. And then once that's dry, I'm going to be covering it with the Poshe top coat. Give it that nice top coat, so shiny, so glossy, and then also it dries quick. I'm telling y'all, seriously, quick dry top coat was a game changer for me. Part of why I'm a polish junkie is because I can know that they're not going to take like all day to dry. We've got a little speck under here. I got to get that cleaned up. Thank you. And here we go. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.